Synadentix. Rebuild your oral microbiome. For stronger teeth, healthier gums, naturally. Synadentix is a breakthrough chewable dental formula designed to support a healthy oral microbiome. It helps strengthen teeth, nourish gums, and promote cleaner breath by activating natural saliva flow overnight, supporting whole-body wellness through advanced enzymes, minerals, and plant-based ingredients backed by modern research science. Key points. 1. Supports oral microbiome. 2. Strengthens teeth naturally. 3. Promotes healthy gums. 4. Enhances saliva flow. 5. Reduces plaque buildup. 6. Freshens breath long-term. Testimonials 1. Mary Garcia from New York. For over a decade, I dealt with recurring gum issues and morning mouth dryness. I decided to try Synadentix as part of my nighttime routine, and I'm honestly amazed. My mouth feels refreshed when I wake up, and my gums feel stronger than they have in years. Testimonials 2. Noah William from Florida. I've had dental concerns for most of my adult life and felt like nothing truly helped long-term. Synadentix was different. After a few months of use, my oral comfort noticeably improved. I'm grateful I found something that works naturally and fits easily into my routine. For more details, visit our website in the description. Thank you.